everybody, this is Lisa Thompson from the Panorama Portarlington Development Team. I'm down on site today to check the progress of our ready homes. I'm standing currently in stage 1 on Hargreaves Street. Behind me we've got 34 Hargreaves Street, which is a single story ready home. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 car. It is absolutely amazing. We've got all the home with its cabinetry in, stone bench tops in, so it's at the fix-off stage. We are on program to finish this house in May. I've also got here 32 Hargreaves Street, which is a 2-story, 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1.5 car garage. It is also coming along. You'll see that all of our facade is now finished on the external. Brickwork has happened. We're now roughing in, so this is all also on program. I'm going to take you for a look through the homes now so you can see the progress yourselves. All right, come with me. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of the ready homes. I'm now finishing off the tour out the front, or I'm on the balcony of 33 Willamai Rise. These views, everything's coming along. This site is looking absolutely stunning. It is amazing down here. So please, if you've got a weekend, come down, take a look for yourself. It does not disappoint. Thank you.